Hey guys, my name is Ashita and thank you for watching Ash with an A. Today you and me are going to be talking about the types of people we meet while driving. Because I think most of y'all drive and I'm sure most of y'all have gone through these situations, so we can relate. Let's go. So the first type of people you meet are the scary cats. Now these type of people are usually either your parents or your relatives or people who have like zero faith in you, and they look something like this.
Cut. You'll bang that car. Please go slow. Brake. You're supposed to go slow before the hump, not after or during. You're gonna bang this car one day.
Like, please, can I concentrate on the road? If I concentrate, we both will end up somewhere else, and you know where. They're gonna act like we just got our license and we have no idea how to drive. Even if we have a license for 1 year or for 10 years, they're gonna react the same way. Now, the next kind of people are the know-it-alls. Now, I don't know how many of you all know this, but there's like this untold rule that everyone is supposed to know. If I am driving, you're not supposed to fidget with my music. You are not supposed to tell me where to go, and you're not supposed to tell me how to drive. But then, even then, there are some people who do this.
Why are you going this way? You know what? You should have taken the other way. Those were like so much better routes. You could go speed and it's like a shortcut. I can't believe you're taking this long way. Why are you taking right? You should have taken a left. That would have been a shorter way. This is gonna be like so long and you're gonna get like so much of traffic.
Like, stop! I know what I am doing. I know which way I'm taking is right or wrong, or which is gonna have traffic or not. I am pretty much experienced in driving at the moment. So if you shuffle through my music or tell me where to go, there are chances I'm gonna like open the door and just like throw you out. And if you probably think that I don't have the strength to throw you out, yeah, you're probably right. I don't have the strength to throw you out. But there are chances I might have like already beaten you up in my mind like a couple of times. Yeah, so don't do that. Now, the next type of people are the lost zebras. And also, if you're thinking why lost zebras, because I couldn't come up with any better title for this. Now, these kind of people know that cars are supposed to be driven on the road and they're supposed to be walking on the footpath. But even then, they do this.
There's a footpath. Can you walk on that?
And the way they stare at you, it's like they make you feel guilty about driving on the road and make you feel like it's your mistake for driving on the road. Like, do you see me driving on the footpath? No. Then why are you walking on the place where I'm supposed to be driving? If this was India, this is exactly how the person who's driving the car would talk to the other person. Hey, garage mein chal raha hai kya? Yeah, I'm being nice. And the fourth type of people are the snails. And yes, I didn't get a better title for this as well. And don't tell me you've never come across these people. These people do something like this.
Are you gonna take all day? I'm on the phone, can't you see?
Like, I'm celebrating my 50th birthday here in the car. Okay. Golmaal Part 20 would have released by now. And you're still here talking to your friend about the weather. Move, woman, move. So these are the types of people you meet while driving, and if I've missed some cartoons from my list, make sure you put them in the comment section below. Do not forget to like my video, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching Ash with an A. Bye!